I'm very happy today to be here in Beauvais, France, near Paris. Beauvais is very important for AGCO because Massey Ferguson is one of our core brands. It's a very productive factory here. Traditionally, the customer is always in our focus, so everything we do is about customer orientation. We really also are very considered about services around our products, around the hardware and quality. Of course, where we can improve is that in a more and more digital environment, we want to introduce systems which help us to get closer to the customer, to offer things in a very convenient way, easy to use, and also to get a much faster feedback from the farmers and from our dealers. 2018 was a very stable year. Most of the markets came back. North America saw a substantial growth. The markets recovered. South America is still an area which is not far below record levels. And Europe, as many years before, was very stable, of course, with differences between the various countries of Europe. AGCO is a company which developed and became more and more professional during the last years. The Fendt Vario X1000 is the most efficient conventional wheel tractor in our industry in the world. And we decided to also develop a row crop version, which we introduced to the North American markets. The perception is really great. Sales were far above expectations and above budget. We work, of course, intensively in the area of digital farming. I personally believe there will be a lot of things we will see in the future. One is what you invest internally and how much creativity you can generate inside your organization. And then second, once in a while, you might also look into startups. And precision planting is one of those super startups which will help us to complete our product offering. And through precision planting, we are the leader now in planting technology globally. For grain storage, it's important to know that GSI is leading in grain drying, grain logistics, and an investment in a GSI grain elevator is paid back very quickly. So certainly also in emerging markets or developing markets, Eastern countries, Ukraine, Russia, this is a very, very attractive offer. We think it's time to also pay back to society. So 2018, we were very proud to launch and found AGCO Agriculture Foundation, which I think is a very important step for the future. Well, 2019 is all about operational excellence. We want to substantially improve our margins. We have a lot of projects in the pipeline, and we are very optimistic that we can convince our shareholders and Wall Street that we have a lot to offer this year. At AGCO, we believe that our people are very important to our success, and that's not a lip service, it's our conviction. And part of this is inclusion. So we want to have people from all cultures, all genders, all nations work together as a team. At AGCO, we like our people to be aligned. We like our people to be efficient, and we like people who deliver results. And the 2018 performance is based on that philosophy and that outstanding culture of our company.